back. Welcome back to Dallas's Corner.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Dallas's Corner. It is currently 5:07 in the morning, so that's why I look like this. But today we're going to Lake Chelan with my husband's brother and his girlfriend, and we're going jet skiing. So I was like, definitely need to bring the camera along with us today. So yeah, we're gonna get up and get ready. I'm freezing cold because the fan is on, so I'm shaking. So yeah, I just was like, let me turn on the camera so I can take you guys along with us today. So we'll get back to you guys once we're ready and packed and walking out the door. See you soon.
You can.
Yeah, the table put fuel in for you guys. You'll just have to pay for it.
Okay.
Tracking.
You know how much it would be? If it's full and if it's full and then we use it all, how much is it? $30?
You guys probably won't use it all, but I think it's like $4.50 a gallon.
Oh, cool.
You said a gallon.
Yeah.
Have you guys tried that 3 or 4 times and it's still not working? Your best bet is either call us, I'll remember if we have a run of jet ski, or just bring it back.
We're on the jet skis. We're on the jet skis. This is so scary. My baby's driving. I'm too scared, you guys. I can't drive it.
I'm gonna start going once you stop.
All of our friends are super far ahead. You probably can't see them, but they're very, they just left us. We finally caught up to them, guys. Titi's over there. Jalen, Tasia.
Hold on, wait. I'm about to jump.
He's about to jump in the water, y'all.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
This is Blueface, baby.
Bust out that gun.
Make me want to swim.
Yo, we out here.
We caught up to the party, guys.
Where's the shark at?
Thanks. Where's the shark? Hey, we gotta do the Jalen.
They'll be back. Taisha's water ski stopped. She's over there. It stopped, so we're waiting with her, and our friends went down to call someone because there's full tank, but her jet ski just stopped in the middle of the ocean. We're literally deep in the water, you guys. Like, we're deep. I was recording upside down.
lake.
Oh, we're deep.
Lake Chelan.
We're at Lake Chelan in Washington State, and she's right there with a jet ski that doesn't work.
She's taking pictures.
My husband got in the water, you guys. He's swimming around.
What?
I'm in the front,
It's taxi.
but it's in park because I ain't gonna drive it.
Driving with this? Driving like
Oh my God, you should.
No, that's dangerous, guys. We fixed our boat, guys.
Oh, they probably heard me.
No, I started it after. Woo-hoo, guys. I can't even zoom in.
We got skiing.
I'm back in the front, but I'm not driving.
There you are.
No, I'm not.
You can go slow.
I don't want to drive. My baby. Baby, this camera quality looks so good.
Good. Wow.
You look good right there. Whoa, why is it going so crazy?
Because I'm on it.
Oh,
I'll get my chocolates.
where are
Check
they?
the other one.
The other one's right here.
Whew.
Jeez, baby. Ray's just in the back. Woo.
Get my workout in.
Oh my God, you're fucking crazy.
Look at her.
You're so crazy.
He's gonna fall.
Flip it over.
He's in the water.
That looks perfect.
Finally got her to drive.
I'm going 0 miles per hour though. As he said, I'm driving now, guys. You can hear the engine. Literally only 2 miles per hour. We gotta take a picture like that. I know, we're getting gas. I gotta turn it the other way now. Hey guys, we're returning the jet skis now.
Long day. Long fun day.
Yeah, we've been out here since like 9:45. We left the house at 5 in the morning, as you seen at the beginning of the video. Well, no, we didn't leave the house at 5 in the morning. We got up and started getting ready at 5. Now we're gonna go and change our clothes because we got baby suits on. We're gonna go change our clothes and go eat at some taco place. So,
La Roca.
yeah.
Good.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys once we're all dressed and
Probably at the taco spot.
It was overexposed. It was letting too much light into it.
Okay, taco spot, taco truck. We're back on the camera too.
Supe, burrito.
It's hot out here.
What you want?
I don't know.
Tacos? Just get the tacos.
The chicken ones.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna get the burrito. And then we can share. Back. Welcome back to the Ass's Corner.
Our tacos. Amazing. And we got chicken tacos, beans and rice, chicken burritos, shrimp tacos. Oh, good. I know. Beautiful view. We're gonna have a picnic after. Just chilling at the park. It's way cooler out there. Yeah. I'm cooling down now.
Smells good.
We're chilling, guys.
We could chill for a little bit longer, but we zoomed all the way.
Oh. On the blanket. Chilling, guys. It's currently, what time is it? If these bugs do not stay away from me. Oh, it's 4:13. And we're gonna be going home soon because we have a 3-hour drive back home. But we're gonna take some pictures and just chill here for a while. The food we had,
Disgusting.
horrible. Some people recommended to us and it was not good at all. So yeah, we just had some tacos and burritos, but it wasn't the best. But you know, it's okay. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Hey everyone, it's the next day. We were so tired when we got home last night, so we didn't end up ending off the vlog last night, but I'm on here this morning or this afternoon to end off the vlog. But our trip was so much fun. We literally drove 3 hours there super early in the morning, 3 hours back home. I have the window open and my curtain flew over the window. But yeah, we drove 3 hours there and 3 hours back home later the day. And it was so fun. But I'm still so exhausted, so tired. My husband's at work. He'll be home in like probably the next maybe I'd say 30 minutes. But yeah, I just came out here to end the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Excuse me. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. See you guys.